Hi, in this video, we are going to discuss about System.out.println, how it is working. You will see that. So, the class system actually belongs to Java dot Java.long package. Java.long package, and this class has a static variable out. Okay, system dot out, which is a static variable. It is a static variable, and this static variable holds the object reference of print stream class. So the static variable holds the reference object reference of print stream class, and this print stream class has a method println. Okay, so that's why we are able to call. Since the out variable is a static variable, we can use it without creating objects. So system dot out can access it without creating object. And out is, since out has a object reference of print stream, we can call the method of println, and we can print values. So let us run this code and see the output now. So we can also do this way, like print stream p equal to, now we store the object reference of print stream which is available in this system.out variable, and we can subsequently call, using this p, we can call the println method. Hello, let us run this code and see the output. We are able to print it. Okay, so in summary, the system.out.println statement actually, system is a class that belongs to java.long package, and this class has a static variable out, and that out variable is holding the reference of print stream class, and print stream class has a method println. That is why we are able to call system.out.println. That is, system.out means we are accessing the out variable without creating the object because it is a static variable. So system.out, and out is actually pointing to the reference of print stream. It is holding the print stream object. We are able to call the println method. So alternatively, we can also call this way, like in line number 15, we assign the value of system.out into variable p, which is of type print stream. Then we can call p.println.